Welcome to class for everyone. I'm Roldan Corpus. We are now to change the similar fractions to similar fractions. In changing the similar fractions, well, the similar fractions are fractions having different denominators. To make it similar, they must have the same denominators. Change it into equivalent fractions. Now, in changing the similar fractions to similar fractions, we need to find the least common multiple of the denominator. So suppose we have an example 2/3 and 1/5. These two fractions do not have the same denominator, so this is the similar. We are going to rewrite these two fractions wherein they are similar and get the equivalent fractions of this having the same denominator. So we need the least common multiple of the denominator. If the denominators do not have a common factor, then the least common multiple of the denominator will be the product of the denominator. So the LCM is equal to 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. Therefore, the denominators of these two fractions must be 15. Now, to change it into equivalent fraction, we divide the LCM by the denominator. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. And the quotient will be multiplied to the numerator. So 5 times 2 is 10. If we're going to simplify this 10 over 15, we just divide both the numerator and the denominator by the common factor, which is 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. They are now equivalent. So the equivalent fraction of 1/5, wherein the denominator is 15, we'll just divide the denominator by the LCD by the denominator. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then multiplied by 1 is 3. Now, 1/5 is equivalent to 3/15 because when we get the simplified form of 3 over 15, divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So this will become 1, this will become 5. So that is the equivalent fraction. Now, another example is that when we have 1/4 and 5 over 12, you'll notice that the denominator have a common factor of 4. So to find for the LCM, we will divide it 4, 12. The common factor of 4 and 12 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now the LCM will be 4 times 3, which is 12. Therefore, the least common denominator of these two fractions will be 12. Now, to change this 1/4 into equivalent fraction wherein the denominator is 12, divide 12 by 4 equals 3 times 1 is 3. Since they have the same denominator, we'll just copy the numerator. So this is already the similar fraction and similar fraction.